Hunter, and this is Minty Garage, where I'm going to show you some really fucked up shit and some really baller shit. Alright guys, so we're back. Guess what came in? The Quadzilla map sensor for the Quadzilla tune. And also, we got some spiffy new things to show you guys. Ta-da! Here we go. So look at these rigs. Way better than these. Got Marcel out here. He's breaking in his new YZ125 2024. We'll show you guys that in a minute. He's
Once it starts.
Yeah, it ran out of gas, so he put gas in it. He's just letting it sit right now, cool off. Helped me, but you know this isn't bad. You know, you plug, you play them, and but he tested these for me, and they work. So they look way better. What do you think?
Yeah, a lot better than jank ass motherfuckers.
So yeah, we gotta finish this side real quick, and then we gotta head over to Connor's shop and do Buddy's Suburban leveling kit tonight. So yeah. So check this rig out, 2024 YFZ 125X. Don't know what that means, but
It's trail version, gearing's different.
oh, okay.
And you don't have to be on the pipe as much.
Ooh, yeah. See if she starts. She's pretty clean. She is clean. He's breaking her in. They already ran through the one tank of gas, so we gotta go through and start. They ran out, so now they got some more gas over here. They mixed up. Yeah, I had to go run out there on the Raptor. Ooh, nothing. So we'll update you guys if I'm here. Yeah, dude, Jake, why you gotta be so fucking mean tonight, huh? Huh?
Get that fucking thing out of my face.
All right, so we got David's MILF Mobile on here. He's got his horns. We're gonna put the 2.5 spacers on him for him. So he bought these. So we're gonna put these on there for him. Man, looks like you just woke up, man.
I did.
Buddy?
He's been out there sleeping in the back of the lot for the past 3.5 hours.
We all thought you left, buddy.
I thought he left or something.
Anyway,
Got the brake pads right here.
some AutoZone specials. We're gonna hook old boy up.
Yeah.
We're giving him a pretty good deal. We got his tires going on. He was not expecting that. But Lamb's over there.
It's gonna be looking good by every night.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, we're setting. Installed some brake pads for him just now. We're working on getting this off. You know, she's we sprayed her up. So we got the last tire going. And yeah, so moving pretty along pretty fast, to be honest. So we got these trace grips on David's rig. Look at those. Still got the lines. Buddy's gonna be pimping out. I think all the girls
$38 each.
How much?
$138.
I think all the girls do when you go back to school are gonna be on you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, the track grip is so fucking good.
Yeah, dude. You're gonna definitely be getting some girls on you when you go back to school in this rig. Yeah, something like that. Well, we took a shot out. We got the new mount on. Got some action over here. Live action with some puppies.
What the hell is it? Yeah,
I need the impact I just took. Started mine, take it out. So yeah. All right, so we got this side done, all assembled back together. New brakes for him. Tires are there. Put new brake pads on for him. We got this side going. It's pretty strong. Working on it, getting that ring seated in. It's groove. This side over here, Connor had to do that, and I had to beat on it with a hammer. So hopefully we got this kid back on the road, and to the car wash we'll go and show you how it sits in light. All right, so we're Currently got everything set for him. Bleeding brakes. He's in there pumping it up. And Connor's down here bleeding them. And I'll slap the tires back on and we'll see what it looks like, guys. Alright, it's currently like 12 at night. And David is tooted a little bit. He likes it. So like I said, we got those tires. He's gonna wash these because one of them he's gonna keep as a spare. But she's tooted a little bit, so what he's gonna do to that. And got this all rigged out here. About to go home.
Guys, this is not where we want it to be. I don't know. We may be out of diesel fuel, to be honest. I got a buddy on the way. I got 2 gas cans. The gas gauge doesn't work, but I don't think it's out of diesel, but it could be. I'm hoping it is. So he's on the way, and we're gonna leave and go get some diesel fuel. But over here at West County Mall, this is pretty sick. Not even gonna lie. We're YouTubing.
American badass, dude. Taking a Ford off road, dude. Off 270. We gotta go get some fuel. Kyle's mad. I cut him out of his overtime. Yeah. See. So we gotta go get some fuel, guys. Get in the zone, auto zone. Pretty sure we got air in my fuel line, so we're gonna get a 3/4 wrench to pop off the one of the fuel lines for the VP44, and we're getting some starter fluid too, and we'll update you guys.
Some aircraft mechanics trying to work on trucks.
Yeah, it's not going well. All right, so over here on 270, got the VP44-1 injector line off, and it's getting fuel, so maybe there was an air pocket. We're gonna tighten it up. Then we got a good old starter fluid here, just in case. We're probably running off in 30 seconds. So hopefully, yeah. Right. Now we got highway patrol behind us. Out here rocking out, Minty Garage. All right, ain't nothing better than being in the wrong. We are live.